Hello friends, and welcome back to Vlad's Place. Since we are all finally understanding the importance of eating organic and fresh foods, I want to use this video to show you where to start if you're thinking about becoming a gardener. If you're just approaching concept of growing some of your own food, I think growing lettuce is a perfect way to start. Growing lettuce is beyond easy. And you don't need a large gardening box. You can do it in a pot. It's cheap, easy, and lots of fun. And this will be a great gardening project to start with your kids if you haven't gardened before. In fact, I would beg you to do it. If not for the sake of growing lettuce, then for the sake of bringing kids outdoors and teaching them fun and important life skill like gardening is. Spring is here, so this is the time to start gardening. And if you guys are just beginning at gardening, one of the easiest things you can grow is a lettuce. As long as you have a nice moist bed of a compost, all you need to do is just throw some seeds in there and watch them grow. And in a matter of a week or 2 weeks, you're going to see the sprouts, and pretty soon you will be able to harvest fresh organic lettuce. And this is a lots of fun. So as you saw, all I did, I just sprinkled the seeds on top, and I'm just using this tool to mix the soil, and I'm gonna mix it only about this deep because these seeds, you don't want them buried in the ground too much. So it's about this deep. And next thing is to make sure the soil remains moist. And we have built this lid, which will help us protect the young leaves from lizards. We have birds, but lizards in particular, they will come and they will graze on the young lettuce. So I got that taken care of. But this morning I found out we have a gopher in our garden, which is a death sentence to young lettuce. So we got a trap set in, and if you guys run into a similar problem and you want to know how to take care of gophers, there is a YouTube video on this channel how to catch gophers, and we'll go in details how to set a trap and how to do this and what to do with them once you're done. So yeah, it's super simple, super easy, and we hope you guys will get back to gardening, get outside, especially with your kids, and just go and ventilate your brain. Go away from devices and spend some time in nature. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon again.